Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant iris rhizomes. First, select a sunny spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good drainage is crucial, so if your soil is heavy clay, amend it with plenty of organic material. Loosen the soil to a depth of about 12 inches to create an ideal environment for your new iris plants to thrive. Before planting, inspect your iris rhizomes. Trim off any damaged roots or leaves that are longer than 6 inches, cutting them back to about 4 to 6 inches. Next, prepare your planting hole. Dig a shallow hole, approximately 10 inches wide, and create a small mound of soil in the center. This mound will provide a stable base for the rhizome and help position it correctly. Now, let's plant. Place the iris rhizome directly on top of the soil mound you created, spreading its roots gently down the sides. Backfill the hole with soil, making sure the very top of the rhizome is either exposed to the sun or just barely covered by a thin layer of soil. This shallow planting is vital for proper growth. Space your rhizomes about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for good air circulation. After planting, give your new iris rhizomes a good, thorough watering. This helps settle the soil around the roots. Continue to water regularly, especially during dry spells, until the plants are well established. Remember, irises prefer well-drained soil, so be careful not to overwater, which can cause the rhizomes to rot. A low-nitrogen fertilizer can be applied in early spring, but keep it away from the rhizome itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.